What shall we do this today? I want to rest at home quietly. What sport do you like? I like playing badminton. What's your email address? You can email me at john@gmail.com. When did you visit your aunt last time? I visited my aunt last week. Who will paint doors, windows and the floor? I will paint doors, windows and the floor. Can you lend me 100 euros? No way. Do you like this hotel? Yes, it's amazing. Do you want another cup of coffee? No, thank you. Have you ever been to Paris? Yes, I have, and I like to go there someday. How are you getting to Paris? We're going by plane. How do you celebrate your birthday? I invite my friends to celebrate my birthday. How many words are there in your vocabulary? I know about 30,000 English words. Is the computer being used at the moment? Yes, Boris is using it. What conveniences are there in your flat? We have running water, central heating, gas, electricity. What do you usually shop for? I usually shop for clothes. I'm a big fashion fan. What is silk? Silk is a kind of soft cloth made from a substance produced by silkworms. What is the charge for an international call? For example, if you call somebody up in Germany from Russia, you have to pay $1 a minute. What is your mother tongue? My mother tongue is Russian. What's your marital status? I'm married. Where is a toilet? There are toilets on every floor. Where's your key? I've lost it. I lost it. Won't you have another sandwich? Yes, please. You passed your driving test first time? Wonderful. Are there many trees in your yard? Our yard is full of trees. Are you here for the first time? Right. Did he fail the exam? Yes, he failed the exam. Do you enjoy dancing? We often go to dancing parties. Do you like traveling? Yes, I really like it. Do you think she'll come to our party? Yes, I think so. Have you bought tickets for the concert of the singer? Yes, I've bought tickets for the concert. How far is it from here? It's about 1 mile. How would you like to pay? Can I use a Visa card here? What are you thinking of? Nothing special. What did you do yesterday? I played computer games for 2 hours, then I went for a walk with my friends. What do you like doing? I like learning English. What is this multi-story building? This multi-story building is a hotel. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. What school did you go to? I went to Millennium High School, founded in 1999. What's she sing? I don't know, I don't understand Dutch. When does Hanako start her new job? She's already started it. Are you enjoying the movie? Yes, it's very funny. Are you free? Sorry, I'm busy. Can I help you with your suitcase? No, thank you. I'd rather do it myself. Do you go to the gym? Sure. Do you have a table for two? Follow me, please. Do you often go abroad? Several times a year. Have you ever picked up raspberries? Yes, I have. It was in the village where my grandmother lives. Have you ordered visiting cards? Yes, I have ordered 100 visiting cards. How are you feeling? A little depressed. How can I go to City Hall? Go down the street and then turn right at the corner.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.